Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and today's video we are going to see the top 7 founded projects to do airdrops. This means that projects with a lot of money that are building their products may do an airdrop, and usually that means, like in the case of Arbitrum, that the airdrops, the possibility for those airdrops could be big and a lot of money. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can see this for yourself, the tool to do that, and also we are going to go into these 7 main founding projects and 2 others that are free to test right now but also have a very interesting founding. So 9 projects in total. This is a top airdrops to do. So if you are wondering what airdrops you could do to make a lot of money, this is your video. And all these airdrops, guys, are registered in my application. So if you get my subscription on my app, you are going to be able to apply easily and organize all your wallets around these different airdrops. So we talk about these airdrops in my Discord too. So this subscription has everything for you to apply to all the airdrops that we cover in this video. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, this is a very important video. This is a top 7 founding airdrops to do and 2 surprise bonuses from another projects that they are doing an airdrop for free right now, and you can apply it and they have a very nice founding. So these are 2 for you that for sure you should be taking advantage right now. So why check projects with big founding? And this is one of the strategies if you are an airdrop hunter, is that you may want to focus only these big projects. For no means this is the only and the best strategy, but it's something that you can do also if focusing on the big ones. Is there a case like many other projects with not big founding did great airdrops and we took advantage of that? But sometimes project with big funding ends up doing big airdrops. One successful case is Arbitrum. They already had almost 1 billion in TVL when they did the airdrop. And like you know, if you were subscribed to my subscriptions, you will be using my application to make that airdrop very easy. But another unsuccess case was SEI. We did SEI with this same concept and we failed in that. So it's not 100% guarantee, guys. But to do this and to use these tools, you need to use cryptorank.io. So if you go to this project, you can see all the cryptos like many others like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. But the tool that I am using here is that you go to funds and you can see here the option funds rounds. So click there, that is going to send you to this page. And here you can see different project names, the date when they raise some amount of money, the stage of that founding, what investors were the founders, and the category of the project. So this is super great. You can go here and see the main project, but you also can search for projects here. So if you go to Zksync, for example, you are going to be able to see that information. You need to be logging into the app to do this, but you can log in with your Gmail account without paying anything. So there's a free option to do this. So this is a great tool to do. Now that I already mentioned the tool for you guys, you can do your own research on that and you can verify everything that I'm going to show you now. So let's start with the big first project, and this is no surprise, and this is Zksync. Zksync raised a total of 458 millions. Right now it's the best founding project that you can do an airdrop. So if you didn't start at Zksync, I put here the link to my Zksync videos. You just need to go there, and this is your video, Zksync Era, Mainnet, Testnet, and Lite for the airdrop. After you do that, you can see this video, which is Zksync tips for a big airdrop. A lot of things that are going to increase your possibilities. So doing this, you still probably are in time. We don't know the exact date, but the risk-reward ratio for this airdrop is all in your favor. So try to do these videos. You don't need to spend too much. Mostly you are going to spend on the bridge to the Zksync era. But besides that, the transactions are cheap. So you can see that they started the first round of 2 million in 2019. So they have been building from a long time this. This is a very big company. For no means this project is a scam. So you can be sure that if they do an airdrop, it's going to be great. Position 1, Zksync. This is the best big founding project. Go to my link to do the different airdrops. And like you know, if you are using my subscriptions and you have my app, you just search Zksync in my app and you are going to have everything to apply easily to the airdrop, and you can organize all your wallets there, applying with multiple wallets and farming Zksync. Here you have 2 videos on how my app works if you are interested in the app. And in my Discord we have a specific channel for all the airdrops that I am sharing right now. So we help each other with different things applying to the airdrops. Now the second one is Starknet. Starknet has a fund of 282 millions. You can see this is already almost half of the Zksync project. So Zksync with almost $500 million is a crazy stuff. But Starknet still is the second biggest project right now to do an airdrop. Here is the link again to my cryptocurrency state.net webpage where you can check the Starknet video that I did. Probably you will need to add a couple of more things, but you have everything that you need to do for the beginning of your airdrop with Starknet. So pay attention to Starknet. This is a position 2, and they have been raising money, 6 million in May 2018. So from there you can see that they have been building, and the big round was in 2022 with $100 million. So they have a lot of money, they have a lot of progress. It's not my favorite blockchain right now. I think the transactions fees still are high, but you cannot deny that this is a great project to do an airdrop. Now in position 3 we have Layer 0, another of the mentioned projects on my videos and in my Discord. Here you have the link to the search of Layer 0. You will find 2 videos to do. Layer 0 Airdrop, the ultimate guide, is your video. Some of the tasks here are related to my previous video, but you need to do this. I published it in April 2 and it's 100% valid still. And Layer 0 is starting to get funds in 2021. 2 million was the first time, but in April of this year you can see they get 120 million more. So Layer 0 is a must project to do the airdrop too. And now maybe you're not familiar with this project. This is Vechain. They got 121 millions, which is not a small amount, guys. Zksync is crazy, right? $500 million is a lot, but 121 millions is a lot of money to a startup in crypto. So this project is very interesting in terms of technology. So here again, I already covered all these projects. This is Chain Airdrop. So you can go there, check all the steps on how to apply to this airdrop. Always you need to go to the Discord and see the state of the project, if they already launched the airdrop or not. But for now, these projects are safe. You can do all the steps to get this airdrop. So Vechain is at position 4 as one of the most funded projects. In position 5 we have Eigen layer, and this is technologically speaking very innovative project. You can see all the information again in my video. Eigen layer airdrop free. So this project gives you the ability to restaking. So your tokens are not only staking one place, you can get use of those tokens. So that is a very innovative idea and a very interesting project. They raised $64.5 million and they started in August 2022. The next project is SEI, and we covered that project already in my channel too. So here you have 2 videos, go and check those. I have to be honest, I sense that we are at the end of this project. I don't know if you have too much chances to go into this airdrop, but it still is not distributed, so we cannot tell that it's late. But maybe I will leave this to the end and maybe recommend you to go to the other projects first. So SEI had 35 million, which also is a lot of money, guys. And in position 7 is Shardeum. Shardeum has 18.2 millions. Again, we did a video about Shardeum on this airdrop. This was actually November 4, 2022. Still a valid project to check and do the airdrop. They have a growing ecosystem, so I recommend you to check it too. So these 7 guys are the biggest projects right now to do an airdrops, and I'm going to give you now 2 bonus projects. So these are free to do, 100% free. In position 8 is MetaTime. They have 11 millions in funding, And here is the link for meta time. I already covered it. I really like what I see, mostly because they took the airdrop from the beginning. They are 100% transparent about the airdrop, so they have a dashboard for your airdrop to apply, all the tasks that you need to do, and you can see actually how much money you are doing while you participate. And they have two types of airdrops, one that is like distributed monthly and another that is going to be distributed at the end of the year. So here is all my step-by-step on how to participate. Please do meta time. It's 100% free, and I think it's one of those big projects like it's Venom, for example. And in position 9 we have Kashmir. Kashmir also, I checked Kashmir a couple of days ago. Actually it was the 31 of May. I covered Kashmir, and they have funding, guys. You can test it for free right now. They have 3 million in funding. And here is a link to the Kashmir video that I did with all the steps that you need to do in order to participate. Guys, all these projects are in my application. If you are subscribed to my app, that the prices are really cheap and I'm going to increase it soon, you can do these airdrops really easy with multiple wallets. That is a very interesting strategy if you want to multiply your chances with airdrops. And also, guys, check my other videos about how to use multiple wallets, how to protect your wallets in your airdrop hunter path, and many other educational videos that I did. You can go to my video section on YouTube or here in my website. You go to here, the section of videos, and you can check all my educational videos there. Just a brief recap of the top 7 founding airdrops to do and 2 surprise bonuses. The first one, the biggest founding, is Zksync with almost $500 million. Position 2, Starknet, 282 millions. Then we have Layer 0 with 263 millions. Then we have Vechain, this is at position 4 with 121 million. Eigen Layer, 64 million. Then we have at position 6 SEI with 35 millions. We have at position 7 Shardeum, 18 millions. These are the top 7 airdrops to do based on the founding of the project. And the 2 that are free are Meta Time and position 8 with 11 million, and position 9 is Kashmir with 3 million. So these are free to do. Here are my links in the full video, so go there and check these 9 projects to do the airdrop. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notification so you receive the notification of my videos. And don't forget to follow me at CryptoZState in Twitter. Up here is appearing right now, CryptoZState in Twitter. I post things only in Twitter that are not in the rest of my social media. So CryptoZState is Twitter. And thank you for seeing my videos. And if you are new here, welcome to my community. We are 100% positive, making money in crypto with airdrops, meme coins, BRC20 and much more. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. Bye.